Hi Martha! Let's go! Sundin namin si Mami Coco. Andin pupunta kami ng Bubuyog. You know Bubuyog? What? You know Bubuyog?
What?
Jollibee.
With Oreo. What ice cream with Oreo?
Oreo? Ay, that is McDonald's, Mel.
I want.
But you want? We will see if there's a ice cream in Jollibee. You want Jollibee?
Yeah, with Oreo with ice cream.
Jollibee? Bumblebee? Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Huh?
Choice?
Yeah.
I want to eat ice cream with Oreo.
Hmm?
I want to eat ice cream with Oreo.
Ano gusto niya yung Oreo ice cream sa McDonald's?
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to eat.
You want to eat? Okay. So ngayon guys is Tuesday ng alas 7 na oh. Alas 7 yung labas ni Mami Coco. Nalit na tayo. Yeah. At ayan, buti ngayon wala ng snow. Hindi na umuulan ng snow. Pero malamig pa rin. How are you, my aling maliit?
I'm good.
Good. Si God, madilim na. So dito muna tambay muna
See,
saglit.
there's no zombie here.
No zombie. No zombie daw.
There's cars.
Okay, let's go. Tigas yung snow dito sa sa kalsada. Naging ice na siya. Ang dilim. Alas 7 na, no? You want Jollibee?
Yeah, I want to eat what ice cream with Oreo.
Ice cream with Oreo.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to eat ice cream with Oreo.
Okay. Tayo. Oreo. Grabe yung ice sa gilid oh. Hindi pa natutunaw. May sulubong Ice BB. Ice BB. Ding 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 ding. Kaya na Martha. Right. Kaya. Yung na Martha Piulok. Ayan. McDonald's oh. You see McDonald's.
Yeah, I want to eat ice cream with Oreo.
Oh no. Ice cream with Oreo. You like ice cream with Oreo?
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see.
Ito, oh, look, oh. Say hi. Hi like this. Hi. Ayun na nga guys, medyo positive na yung temperature sa labas. Nakita dito 5 degrees. Positive 5 degrees, so hindi masyadong malamig. Pwede na maglakad-lakad. Pag negative nga, lakad pa rin eh. Lakad nga kami ng ano, negative 18 eh. Tsaka negative 25. Yan si Kabayan. So, yan, dyan lang naman si Mami Coco si Taso. So, antay-antay lang. Saglit. Si Aling Maliit, kasama si Aling Maliit. Hi, Aling Maliit. What? Can you sing ABCD? Can you sing ABCD to Daddy? You know how to sing ABCD or you don't know now?
I do not.
What you like?
I like puputi.
Huh?
Puputi.
Pupupti?
Yeah.
What is that?
Puputi.
Puputi?
Yeah.
I don't know what that song. What's that?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O
Okay. Tawag si Mami Coco, wait lang. Ayan. Tumawag na si Mami Coco. Again, sing again.
A B C D
Louder. Can you remove your pacifier?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Na my A B C. Next time won't sing it.
Yay! See? What else? How about Twinkle Twinkle?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how we wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the
Circuit.
sky.
Okay.
Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how we wonder what you are.
Yay! Sing! Galing-galing naman ng Baby Marta. Can you count 1 to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow! What next? What after 10?
10,
11? 12?
11,
Wala pa si Mami Coco.
12,
See? What else?
N-O-P.
What you about this no more hiding, now I'm shining.
Why hiding? No, I shouldn't. Why born to be? Giving heart, giving heart.
Yeah, keep up. No more hiding, now I'm shining. Just born, just like born to be. Ayan guys, nakaano na tayo. So, kamusta kayo? Kamusta mga buhay-buhay? Laban lang. Oh, helicopter. There's an helicopter. See, look here. See? You see helicopter? Emergency to, oh. Grabe. Dito sa emergency, oh. Maglalanding siya. Delikado si Tas. Ha? Oh. Look. Helicopter, oh. Landing dito sa hospital. Makita. Ito sa hospital, ito yung emergency, oh. Doon. Sa itaas yung ilipad siguro. Yeah, sa itaas nga. Huh?
See the airplane.
No, cannot see. Ready dyan.
I was there.
It's already. The helicopter landed on the on the rooftop of that building. Emergency. Mami Coco. Mami Coco.
Daddy.
Hmm.
Mommy see the
Ah.
hot water.
Yeah.
Why?
Say hi, Mami Coco, ah. Mami Coco. Saan na siya? Mami Coco. Ano na? Mami Coco. Mami Coco, buksan natin. Hi, Mami Coco.
Hi!
May helicopter, ah.
Saan?
Ano na sa ano, ilipat. Landed.
May lipad ba dito?
Oo, emergency siguro yon.
Oh.
Galing to, no?
I have gift!
May gift si Mami, si Martha.
Ah,
That's for Martha.
yes.
Thank you for being such a vital part of our REH community leadership team. Oh, may award si Mami Coco. Oh. Grabe.
Ah.
Oh. Oh, that's for you, Martha. Martha, oh. Let's go.
We will eat
Bubuyog.
chicken.
So, let's go na tayo sa Bubuyog.
I don't
Okay.
eat chicken. I want to eat chocolate.
Oh.
Okay, let's go na kami kay Bubuyog. Bubuyog!
Let's go. Put
Let's
here.
go. Ayan na,
Mommy,
busy
I
pa.
want to eat chocolate.
Chocolate.
That is
Let's-
wafer.
Let's go tayo.
I want to eat it.
Okay, give me. I will open.
May ano surembe, emergency, baka may na
Kasi, nakita mo? Binidyoan mo?
dito na sa binidyohan, yung mula doon di ko binidyohan.
Saan ang helipad?
Doon na ang building niyan.
Saan?
Doon.
Talaga?
Oo.
Parang hindi ko alam.
Doon ng bugpa eh.
Hmm.
Mommy,
Baka galing sa ano yun?
Yes, that's
sa
for
van.
you.
who give to Mata?
Yeah, one of your friends. Give it to you.
Think you, Ate Mo give Mata chocolate for me?
Yes, baby.
Hooray!
Ore.
Tungto siya.
Yeah, yeah.
Laki ang helicopter eh. Sayang di ko na video.
Ang hina mo.
Mommy, no, me, no, ma.
Kaya, video lang saglit.
Malapit ang malapitan. Sana.
Hindi normal, hindi naman ang gano'n kalat.
Masarap eh. Oh, tingnan mo. Try mo.
Kaya,
Stop it! Stop it!
tayo.
Stop mine.
I know. It's nice. Very nice. See?
Well, chocolate.
Yeah. Hindi gusto niya.
Yay!
Kasi kumakanta-kanta sa ang ABCD.
Tapos,
Ay, binibideo ko nga siya. Ay, hindi ginagawa.
tapos biglang,
Helicopter. Rescue yun, rescue. That's a big.
makagaling sa malayong lugar.
Malayong lugar yun.
But you have to eat chicken. You like this?
Oh, she wants ice cream with?
May ice cream ba doon?
Oo, meron.
Walang ice cream sa ano.
Sabi niya nga, ice cream with Oreo, daddy.
Oh, diba? Gusto niya na.
Lagi niya nga, ano, ice cream with Oreo. Where? Tony McDonald.
McDonald's.
McDonald's here.
Ah, di ba laman?
Kaya,
Dapat
McDonald.
ano mo yan?
Oh, sige, ano mo? Patirap. Yan, McDonald. Dito kami sa harap ng McDonald.
Pero, Canada version na McDo.
Oh.
Ayan o, may flag.
Hmm.
Ayan. May ganun pala. Dapat sa Dubai may flag din ng Dubai, no?
Pilit mo na.
Ayan o.
Yan.
Yan guys.
Ano yan yung dahon? Dahon ng ano?
Maple leaf. Ah, tawag dyan. Tama ba? Mali ako. Baka mabash ako.
Mommy,
Yes.
Yes.
different chocolate.
You like it?
Yeah.
Very
How
good.
about this one?
Your friend gave it to you.
Why?
Because she said Martha likes chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yes.
Chocolate. Hooray!
Napasaya
Bubuyog.
ako. We'll buy bubuyog.
Bubuyog.
I go supermarket?
No. Only bubuyog.
Bubuyog.
No, Bobo. I want the supermarket.
What, bubuyog?
I don't like boboyog, sabi niya.
I want supermarket.
What
Really?
you want their supermarket?
I want.
Why? You like there?
Dapat ganito yung mga ano niya. Saan ito binili? Para masarap siya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, Arthur.
Finish. Mommy, I finished.
Okay, no more.
Ito na yung bubuyog ko.
We'll eat boboyog.
Ito bubuyog.
No, I want McDonald's.
Jollibee. You like Jollibee, right? See? Your friend Jollibee. Dito na, oh. Ano pa?
Dito.
Masikip dito.
Oh, there's no baby inside there.
Ayan, dito na kami sa bubuyog. Tikman natin yung dala ni mami ko kung ano.
Masarap.
Tokens galing ng ano to,
Oh, yan.
Royal. Whopper guys, Whopper.
Di ba masarap?
Mm.
Hey, it's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Okay.
Give one.
Oh, take it.
So take it. Only last ha? Because we'll eat boboyog.
Yeah. You eat bubuyog na? We need to go.
I want to go also.
Oh, mahangin ba yun?
Bubuyog oh.
I want my bonnet.
Bubuyog. Bubuyog. Lakas yung hangin, lakas ng hangin. Malamig. It's good. Ay. Okay. Okay. Oh. May gabalik ah. Mas mami ko to. Let's go.
I want to diet book.
Huh? Abo, say hi. Whopper. You like Whopper?
Yeah.
Sige, doon muna tayo habang mami nag... Si mami.
Sit on there.
Oh, sit down here.
This next fire.
Huh?
No, you go other side.
Other side. Okay. Oh, you go other side.
And that I'm hungry. I want to eat this one.
Okay. Don't put in the
Oh, give me
tables.
back.
Look. Don't touch.
Give me back. Give me back.
Don't put in the tables. Tables dirty. Oh, look. Oh. Wait, mami ha?
Can you dance first? Can you dance? Tan, 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 tan. It's alright. Baby, it's alright. Wala pa 1 minute. What's this? Where?
Take out na kami, take out. That's me. La. Mami Coco. Let's go, Mami Coco. Marta, look. Take out eh. Go, Mami. What? Wait, let's go na. Dito na tayo. So, let's go na tayo, guys. Saan tayo daan? Dito na. Dito na lang. So, may sakyan pa. Uwi na kami, guys. Mag-ano na kami. Take out lang.
Oh, tomorrow.
There's
Bye-bye.
there's no ice cream in Jollibee. Mas masarap kasi sa bahay kainin. Mami Coco, no?
Oh,
Kasi may kanin sa bahay.
hindi ra yata mo gusto.
Oo. Kaya, tsaka hindi kakain si Marta dyan. Tahimik kayo. Anong Ola City pa lang?
Oh, probinsya.
Tahimik dito ngayon, oh. Dito yung mall.
Probinsya.
Luxury mall.
Daddy!
Dito, guys.
Daddy!
Yes, baby.
My hands is so
Cold?
cold now.
Yeah.
I want to
Because you don't wear gloves. Dito, pag Sabado Linggo, weekend, alas 7 na, sarado na yung mall eh. Supermarket na lang yung ano, hanggang alas 8.
Mommy!
Pero kung sa Pilipinas, pag weekend niya, doon nga yung mag-extend yung mall hours kasi dami nga tao, di ba? Dito pag weekend,
Wow!
aga magsarado eh. Alas 7 sarado na. Yun ang nakakapanibago. Lalo kung galing ka ng Dubai, no? Hanggang alas 12 yung mall sa Dubai, di ba be?
Oo. Alas 12 yung iba yun.
Oo, tayo nga lagi. Lagi kami mall, batang mall sa Dubai. Lagi Mall of Emirates. Pero bira lang kami pumupunta sa Dubai Mall. Masyadong malaki kasi, nakakapagod. Dahil lang kami sa Dubai Hills. Dubai Hills, Marta, always Dubai Hills. Mall of Emirates. Dito, madilim na eh. Hanggang alas 7 na wala na. Pero mga ganito siguro, weekdays. Mga alas 8 susuro yung mall o alas 9. Marta, yes papa. Oo, dito ay hindi naman, hindi pwede. Hindi kaya.
Akala ko ka dito, nag-block.
Hindi. Hindi kaya. Skip.
Tara, 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 tara.
Sweet!
Stop na tayo.
I'm going home.
Pwede pala. Ba't
I'm
nag-stop
going
ka?
home. Daddy!
Yeah.
I'm going home.
Yes!
Why?
Ha?
Why?
Because
Where
we're
are you
going home.
Where are you? Where you want to go?
There and there.
Yeah.
I want to come out there and go there.
Go there?
Yeah, I want to come back there and go there.
Dami mo nang alam ah. I want to come back and go there. Marta naman.
Yeah, I want to come back there and go there.
Ayan na nga guys. Ayan na nga. Madilim na. Okay. Si bye-bye na. Okay guys, malapit na kami. Maraming salamat sa panood ng ating mga videos. Videos na ayan. Buhay Canada ni Marta. Don't forget like and subscribe. See you next time.
What? Loko-loko yun.
See you next time guys. See you next time guys.
Sunuganan.
Christmas, guys.
Please don't forget like and subscribe.
Don't get subscribe.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
God bless.
God
Ingat lahat.
bless.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.